Is your cable box stuck on a loading screen or circling a boot loop? Don't worry, because we are going to bypass that freeze and get your channels back right now. Welcome back to TechVibes. This usually happens because of a failed firmware handshake, a clogged internal hard drive, or a signal timeout from your provider. Let's jumpstart your hardware with these 10 advanced shortcuts and fixes. Step 1. The total power flush. Unplug the power cord from the back of the box and wait for 60 seconds. While it is unplugged, hold the physical power button on the front panel for 15 seconds to drain any stuck data. Step 2. The front panel reset. For most major cable boxes, hold the physical power button on the front of the device for 10 full seconds. This forces a hardware-level reboot without needing a remote. Step 3. Perform a flash memory clear. Unplug the box, hold the power and menu buttons simultaneously while plugging the cord back in. Release them when you see boot or initial on the front display. Step 4. Reseat the coaxial cable. Unscrew the thick cable from the back of the box and the wall. Ensure the center copper pin is straight and not touching the outer shield, then screw it back in tightly. Step 5. Toggle the HDMI 2.1 port. Sometimes the box freezes because it cannot detect the TV. Unplug the HDMI cable from both ends and swap the directions to reset the digital handshake. Step 6. The guide and info shortcut. If your remote is partially working, hold the guide and info buttons together for 5 seconds. This can often force the box to skip a stuck checking for updates screen. Step 7. Check for overheating vents. If the box is hot, the internal processor will throttle and hang on the boot screen. Use a can of compressed air to blow dust out of the side vents to let it cool down. Step 8. Bypass the splitter. If your cable line goes through a small metal splitter before reaching the box, remove it. Connecting the box directly to the wall outlet provides a much stronger signal to push past the boot screen. Step 9. Reset the smart card. Wipe the gold chip with a soft cloth and reinsert it firmly to refresh your account authorization. Step 10. The resolution reset. Hold the exit button on your remote for 12 seconds. This forces the box to drop its output to a basic signal, which can unfreeze the boot process if it was stuck on a 4K resolution error. Here's a pro tip for you. If your box uses 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi for its mini boxes, try moving your router closer. A weak wireless signal is the most common reason for secondary boxes to stay stuck on the loading screen forever. If you are facing any difficulty with these steps, drop a comment below. I will personally reply to your questions within 1 hour to help you get your TV back. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes for more expert tech solutions. You've got this, and your shows will be back on in no time.